Peaches and dump cake. Peaches and dump cake.
Peaches and dump. Okay.
All right. How's it going, you guys? Hi. We are at Mama Allie's house here in the Vail Valley. If you've been following on Instagram, we've been cooking nonstop. Desi, who's holding the camera, Mama Allie, Rose Honey, and myself. And today, Rose, what are we gonna make?
Dump cake.
A dump cake. I've never made a dump cake, but Mama Allie's from South Carolina, and she sure has. What is a dump cake?
Dump cake is you basically dump everything into a casserole dish, and it's absolutely delicious because you can't mess it up.
I like that. We're gonna use frozen peaches as the base. We have a paleo flour mix here.
Rose.
Coconut sugar.
Yeah, coconut sugar.
Coconut sugar.
Okay, you put it in. Here, put it in the blue bowl. Put it in the blue bowl right there.
I knew she was gonna do that. What are you doing?
Don't eat all the ingredients yet. Let's do another one, okay? Okay, now these are the spices, Rose.
Smell that, Rosie.
Can you smell nutmeg?
Yeah.
Allspice? Cloves? Ginger? Ooh, you smell them all. You got a very distinctive nose. Now, dump it in. There you go. Now, Rose, I want you to take this little spoon and mix it up.
So we'll use half of that for the peaches, and the other half for our cake batter.
That's right.
Perfect.
So, good girl. That's awesome.
Good.
Okay, now, Rose, we're going to put the baking soda and baking powder into the flour. Right here. Ooh, that smells so different. Not
This
here.
one, sweetie. This
right
one.
here. Yeah.
Woo,
Whoa, there we go. Okay, now.
Allie with the save.
Mix it all in together. There you go, Rose.
Whoa.
We're going to put half in here and half in here.
Here, scoop half of that, Rosie, in there.
Scoop half of it in here. And I'll tell you when to stop, okay?
It smells amazing with the
Smells
spices in there.
amazing, yeah. Smells more. That's good. That's good.
Mix it gentle,
Okay.
Rose.
Mental
Mentally.
gentle mix. Mental jigs. Awesome. Okay. You dump the coconut in the dry mixture. Yeah, dump it right in there.
Unsweetened shredded coconut.
Yes. And can you just kind of mix that up with your
Yeah, use your hand. Why not?
That's good.
It's the best tool in the kitchen, Rosa.
There you go.
Rosa's
Yeah.
cooking has gotten so good, it's unbelievable.
She's just, she follows instructions so well. Okay, Rose, we're almost finished. Okay, now we're going to put this coconut sugar and spices into the peaches.
Oh, yes, excuse me.
Yes.
If we don't have frozen peaches, what other fruit can we use?
Oh, gosh, you can use any fruit. I've used pineapple, mandarin, oranges, blueberries, strawberries, anything in a combination, mixed berries.
Yeah. We'll put the recipe on Allie's blog, link down below. And this is about 30 ounces of frozen peaches. Remember last summer, Desi? We had the peaches from the farmer's market.
Mixed
we peeled them and froze them and had them all winter. It was really nice. It was awesome.
Really good stuff, yeah.
Paper towel, yes ma'am.
Paper towel. Okay, we got all of those coated, Rose.
Here you go, Chef.
Oh.
So no, Mama Allie is not my mom. All right, even though she looks like she could be. We met 4 years ago at a bloggers event. We've been great friends ever since.
Exactly.
And, but how many grandkids do you have?
I have 12 grandkids and 1 great-grandkid. So Rose is number 13 grandkid.
Yes. And she just hit 50,000 followers on
Woohoo!
Instagram today.
Yay!
So I'll leave a link down below. Go follow her. She is a riot.
Hey,
Her husband,
Rose,
Ben.
let's go. Woohoo!
Yay for Mama Allie. It is ghee, correct.
Yes. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to put all of this in first. Let's move the ghee over
Oh, we
here.
pour the...
Yes.
Really? We don't mix the fat with the flour?
We can, or we can just pour the...
You're the Southern. I'll do whatever you say, ma'am.
let's just... Okay, here, Rose. Let's just pour it, put it in.
Here, Rose. Here's your spoon. We're using this, Desi. Gluten-free Bob's.
Usually a dump cake is made with a cake mix, but we wanted to make it paleo.
Yes.
Now take this. Remember how we use the old-fashioned grandma, Mama Allie way to get the... Yeah, there you go.
That's my girl.
That's a girl, yeah. So she's just chopping them up, and she knows to flip it over.
Well, we could use the viral cooking tool that's sweeping Instagram.
That's
Mama's
right.
paddle.
The paddle.
The paddle. Good.
There you go. Okay. Now, Rose.
Take that, Chef.
Everybody.
Oh, you want to close it? Yes, Chef.
No.
Yes.
Okay. We are just...
Thank you, Chef.
Okay. Okay, now, Rose, the last thing. Can Avi pour this on? Because it's got to go all over. You can help me. Here, let's hold it together. Okay, let's do this together. Drizzle, drizzle.
That's 3/4 of a cup of melted grass-fed ghee.
Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Yeah, we want to get it all around, Rose.
The Costco here in Vale Eagle is amazing, and they have
now take
the
it and
tub
just
of
kinda shake it.
grass-fed
Yeah,
ghee for
yeah.
the most ridiculous price
just
ever.
kinda
I
shake it
cannot
like
believe
that,
how good
okay?
that Costco
Okay,
is.
okay.
Okay, 350 degrees
Yeah.
Fahrenheit for just under an hour.
Okay, there we go. Good job, Rose. Man, you just made the best dump cake.
I have a massive end of year sale on all my Shop Place City products right now. I'll put the link down below, but my keto lemonade, the keto hot chocolate, the immune tea, all are 15% off for the next few weeks. So if you want to load up, I'll leave the promo code down below and free shipping with any 2 items. It's a good time to get some of my keto diabetic products.
Da-da-da! Look, Rosie, we have our peach dump cake. You want to try it? Ooh, yes.
It's cooled down.
Ooh,
It smells amazing in
it
here.
smells amazing. Ooh.
I agree, Rosie.
Where's that for?
Hold on, hold on.
We're not done yet. Watch this, Rosie.
Watch
The
it, watch
yogurt.
it. Put a little dollop of yogurt on it, and we're going to do a little drizzle of warm honey. And here's the last thing, Rose. Fresh mint.
I knew Rose was going to say that. She said, no, no, no. Let's build one more.
Let's build one more.
We're gonna build one more.
Okay.
What's on me?
No mint
Here,
for
no
Rose.
mint.
All right, one without mint.
And
one
one
with mint, because we know
You wanna
Rose doesn't
taste
want the
it?
mint.
Okay, you want to taste it?
All right, Mommy Ellie,
Okay.
you go first.
Okay.
Oh, there go first.
Yeah, get it. That's very sweet.
There's some.
It's awesome. Thumbs up. All right. It smells unbelievable.
Hot.
It gets hot. Let me blow it up.
Oh my gosh, that is so good.
So good.
Oh.
Oh my God. Rose. Boom.
Bird! Two
is
thumbs up.
insane. And it's paleo. Gluten-free, dairy-free. And the yogurt is this cool local, I find it at a local market. It's this cool sheep's milk yogurt.
Yeah.
Dang, first of all,
Dang.
it smells amazing here because we have that on. Check out this, Desi. For dinner, we have some friends coming over. I broke out the paddle here. We have 2 pots of
Pork taco beans.
pork taco bean soup. I'll put the link down below. It's in Allie's blog too.
Yes.
So that is it. Another recipe done.
Yeah.
In the week and a half we've been here with nonstop cooking.
nonstop.
All recipes down below. Make this. Follow Allie on Instagram. Let's give her some love. But that is it. From the Vale Valley, we leave you like we always do.
Bye.
Peace,
Bye.
peace, exactly. Later, guys.